ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí àgbàgbé Verydarklady Zabby Oganla Tv tó fohùn balẹ̀ sí ètò ilé wa nípa òṣèlú, ìgbéyàwó àti àṣà Yorùbá lọ́lọ́kan ọ̀jọ̀kan. Oríṣiríṣi lẹ́mọ̀ bá pàdé lórí ìkànnì Zabby Oganla TV. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé ẹ yá bá wa pín kó kárí ilé kó kárí oko. Verydarklady Oganla TV, ìtúsílẹ̀ ọpọlọ àti ìtúsílẹ̀ ọkàn la dúró fún.
Mo kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì, mo kí wá ipá kóbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí, mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín Verydarklady Oganla. Èwo ni mo ní kájọ ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí wípé àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjíire a kú oríire, a tún kú oríire náà, a sì máa ṣe oríire náà lọ ni, torí wípé ó pẹ́ tá ti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run tó wá sọ ìbànújẹ́ wa tó sọ di ẹ̀rín, tó nu omijé wa, àwa bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè yẹn gbogbo ọ̀nà tó bá máa jẹ́ tí àwa ọmọ kóòtù òjíire tá máa fi bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú, kọ́lọ́run mọ́ṣáláyé wa ṣe fún wa ní kíákíá, ní wẹ́rẹ́ jogi. Ìyá mi, bá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, lórí àwọn àkójọpọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbé yẹ̀wò pẹ̀lú wípé kí ni ká ṣe. Abẹ́gbọ́ ẹ̀dá mi lóhùn, kí ló kàn, kí la fẹ́ ṣe, kí ni nǹkan tó kàn, kí la lè ṣe, torí ó ń bọ̀ àwọ̀lá dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀. Ọ̀nà bó ní ká ti gbà láti máa, àwa ti ń pariwo àti mọ ibi tó lè já sí. Bọ̀ fún àwọn youth yìí, èmi ò ní fẹ́ dájọ́. Mo ì máa ṣe live náà. Èyí tí mò ń ṣe program yìí jẹ́ Thursday 29. A máa ṣe live. Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ ńbẹ̀ ni pé táwọn èèyàn bá tún pè wọlé, ẹ fi comment tí yín náà sílẹ̀. Torí nǹkan yìí ìjọba là ń pariwo, bọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tá fẹ́ wò ní bíbá yìí, bóyá ẹ lè máa fi sínú comment section percentage mélòó ló jẹ́ ti ìjọba ń bẹ̀, percentage mélòó ló jẹ́ ti ará ìlú. Ibo lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti wá wọ́ wá, ká ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó wá wo nǹkan tá fẹ́ wọ̀ àti ìdébẹ̀. Ọlọ́run nìkan, Elédùmarè nìkan ló mọ ẹni tó máa gbé ẹsẹ̀ ní 2027. Bọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó ti ń jáde láyé torí 2027 gan, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kán pọ̀ jẹ́ ní tó àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan yìí gan ní 2027. Èyí tí mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ gbé wá yìí, preamble ni mo kọ́kọ́ bí ká jọ gbé wá náà, ká kọ́kọ́ jọ wò náà, kó tó di pé máa gbé bí méjì mẹ́ta kan wá tẹ́ fi wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 2027 tó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀. A ti wà ní 2027 báyìí, yes, a ti wà nínú ẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́jọ tèmi, ẹ má jẹ́ kó pọ̀ jù. Bọ̀ nínú àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ máa wò yìí, lẹ́ máa fi máa wò wípé ókè ń sìn níbi tọ́rọ̀ yìí wá dé ń sìn, ta la wá rí dá ní ẹ̀bi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wò wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share, tó bá jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́ ni, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń bá wa like ètò wa, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, a mọ̀ ọ́ lóore. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń share ẹ̀ sí àwọn group tẹ́ bá wà náà, a dúpẹ́, a mọ̀ ọ́ lóore. Kò ń ṣe eré tiwa nìkan náà ni ò, wípé gbogbo wa à ń ṣe ìtanijí torí irú ẹ̀dá tá a jẹ́, wípé a fẹ́ lajú sílẹ̀ kí aburú kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa tàbí kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn ẹbí wa. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ànírógun ìbànújẹ́. A kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí fún ti gbogbo wa, èyí tí Chief Sunday Igboho Òòṣà. Tó bá jọmọ tí wọ́n ń kọ́, bó bá jọmọ mi ń kọ́, tó bá jẹ́ gbọ́n ẹ̀ ń kọ́, tó bá jẹ́ gbọ́n mi ń kọ́, bó bá jọkọ ẹ̀ ń kọ́, tó bá jọkọ mi ń kọ́, kéèyàn wá máa wọlé lọ nǹkan báyìí. Bọ̀ a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Elédùmarè. Bọ̀ kí ni ká ṣe ọmọ kóòtù òjíire? Kí ni ká ṣe? Òun gangan òun ni eléyìí. Kí ni next step pẹ̀lú gbogbo èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ọ̀nà bo ní ká gbégbá. Let's go.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Your Excellency, because you know, say if you fight today, you dey go fire. Yeah. That is the reason why you can't turn Nigerian married women to a shower for streets. Tomorrow, God give you power, make you take lead us. If they use that power, they intimidate us. You make everything hard for everybody, hard for married people, hard for singles, hard for married women. for children to eat now, a married woman go enter street, don't they fuck prick. 4 type of prick a day. As a 4, if you don't do 4, your bag of rice money no go complete 30,000. Bag of rice now 130,000 naira. President Tinubu don't turn Nigerian married women to a
APC means as Asiwaju Property Corporation, a main property company.
What's the full meaning of APC?
APC means as Asiwaju Property Corporation, a main property company, anti-people's commoners, among personal career, and in the presidential candidates. Another problem coming to Nigeria also. Ashawo produce condom. All promises cancelled. Amaba People's Congress. Another problem coming to Nigeria unsolved. Association of political criminals. Carry the winner, give the loser, carry the loser, give the winner. Uncontested candidates to become a governor of Imo State. Uzodima. Last but not the least, Association of Production of Coronavirus title. Next.
Police Service, through the Criminal Investigations Department, has arrested 5 members of a notorious phone snatching and armed robbery syndicate operating within parts of Accra and Tema. Intelligence-led investigations uncovered the operations of criminal syndicates engaged in street, residential, and workplace robberies across Oyibi, Apollonia, Spintex, Airport Residential Area, East Legon Hills, Zenu Adateka.
Ẹ má bínú.
For statewide program where they do for Benue, where governor attend, senator attend, 9 governor aid, staff senator aid, till the guy kpai. Life and direct in the presence of the whole world, the presence of media, everybody they watch. Is this what you people have reduced politics to? Now the video be this before you go to say I go fabricate the video. APC national chairman they there. The senator Akume they there. Governor Elia of that Benue State they there. Dignitaries they. Now they stab person. Governor Edo stab the guy. The guy by their life and direct. The guy no even survive reach hospital.
Auntie Florence Ajumobi, the wife of late Governor Ajumobi, here waiting she dey talk for this.
We're going to
you go no say you not
war
finish.
in 2027. That's what I tell you. It's going to be war. Head-on war. PDP must go. Whatever they want to do, whatever they want to try, whatever tricks, all powers belong to God. But we're going to beg God. And we're going to fight them. Whatever they have in the state, we have at the federal level. We have money. They have money in the state. We have money in the federal level. We have all the support we need. We're not going to be intimidated. So let them get ready for us. We are ready for them.
You can see all they do with your money is politics. To them is about grabbing power. Not your welfare, not your future. it is to them is to spend your money to grab power to oppress you. I thought Auntie Florence is a bit deep. I didn't know Auntie is a bit shallow. What a country. And some of you are still smiling. Emaje yakuni. Ebaji. Ajaokuta Steel Rolling Mill by a company still pay salary up to 6 billion naira every year to 2,000 staffs working in a place where is only monkeys, bush rats, okuru, and lizard that lives there. They still pay your own money, taxpayers' money, to the people working in Ajaokuta Steel Rolling Company. Only in Nigeria. The Ajaokuta Steel Rolling Company that hasn't worked in years, decades. Some people are getting 6 billion naira there every year. Times that 6 billion times 20 years, you will know why your hospitals are bad. Who are the people they are paying in Ajaokuta?
Commissioned the CCTV center about a week ago, and it has started yielding a very good result. These criminals, as you can see them, Your Excellency, they vandalize our cat eyes reflective lights on the top, at the yellow line on the top Bridge. 156 of those lights were stolen, and CP, the Commissioner of Police, alerted me yesterday morning that they have been arrested, and we need to parade them, and that's the reason why I quickly alert.
We were able to make this arrest, or it was easier for us because the activity of these vandals were monitored real time through the camera, and so the control room alerted the DPO in charge of that area, who quickly and swiftly mobilized his men, and they were arrested during the act as they were committing it. So the cameras really aided us in the operation.
Kanu brothers now. Which side where they?
Where they now?
Now for Ibikwere, then
do Ibikwere, and then today they carry their own weapon.
No, today me I never know don't carry on. That thing down they pick something. Now waiting they take for hand.
But they get their own dagger.
Bring him.
Oga waiting now. Oga.
My advice to the public.
Hey,
listen. Make it wait now. My advice to the public is that these people are here with us here. They have prepared themselves. From what he just confessed, he said that those who are fighting is already here. Part of them in Ibikwere, some of them in Ebelu. We just arrested this one very close to the Baraja, this forest by Forest Road, where he came to invade.
The Theatre North Divisional Headquarters immediately proceeded and arrested the suspects involved. What is your name again?
What's that your name?
Arrested one Juliet Igwe, a 38-year-old female. See what she did to this child. She carried her both hands and then dipped these hands inside a hot water, which inflicted serious injury on the girl. Besides that, she also used a hot candle wax and then rubbed it all over her body. You can see the injuries all over her body, including her private parts, including inflicting serious injury on her body. This is the height of man inhumanity to man, which we have seen here in the States. which we have seen here in Imo State. So we arrested her. We now asked her, why did you involve yourself in this kind of thing? We even demanded to know her relationship with this girl. And it happens to be that this young girl, Onyinyechi, 7 years old, happens to be the daughter of her late in-law. That is her late husband's wife, brother. You get it? Her late husband's brother now. No, late husband's brother. Go ahead, go ahead.
Mo kí gbogbo wa kó tó di pé mo máa gbé last program wa. Ṣé ti bá wa ṣí last video wa jàre? Ṣé ti bá wa ṣí ẹ ti bá wa ṣí wò lójú, ẹ ti bá wa gbé yẹ̀ wò. Ẹ ti rí àwọn youth, ṣeré tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ankara náà. Fún fídíò yẹn, àwọn Nàìjíríà náà ló pọ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé rí àwọn èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà? Ṣé rí èyí tí àwa Jùmọ̀bí, ṣé rí èyí tó ń sọ tó ń lérí fún 2027? Ṣé rí àwọn òkú tán ti ń gbé kúrò torí 2027? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fọ àwọn ọmọ wa létí wípé kí ni a mọ̀ wípé Nàìjíríà Ọlọ́run máa bá wa ṣe kí ni, á bá wa bí owó wá pín toníkálukú fún. Bọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ, máa padà sórí ẹ̀, ìgbà wo ni mi ò mọ̀, àkókò wo ni mi ò lè sọ, bọ̀ mo mọ̀ pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Tógo bá ń jẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run, k'Ọlọ́run wo ọlá gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń dààmú. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ Àjàòkúta? Ṣé mú iye tán ló ń sọ ń bẹ̀? Tó tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ wípé àwọn youth gan fúnra wọn, àwọn náà lazy, ayé lazy náà wá ń sìn. Ayé wípọ́n lazy òun náà wá ń sìn. Kán dẹ̀ mú nǹkan, kán fa nǹkan, kán mú nǹkan, òun gangan ayé tá wà ń sìn òun nìyẹn. Bọ̀tá la rí bá wí, ọmọ Yorùbá, ta la rí bá wí? Ṣé youth ni? Ṣé ìyá youth ni? Ṣé ìjọba ni? Ṣé adult? Níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dé ń sìn. Níbi tọ́rọ̀ yìí tó dé ń sìn. Ẹ wo orú eléyìí náà, a kàn burú síra wa náà ni. Ẹ wo orú eléyìí. Ọmọ ẹni tó ti kú tán wá fi sọ́dọ̀ ẹ. Ọmọ 7 years old. Ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ nínú kọ́mẹ̀ntì tiyín. Èèyàn kan kì í jáwádé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ gbé ẹni tó wà ńbẹ̀, ẹni tó rí bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀, tó jẹ́ wípé láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà sẹ́ẹ̀, òun ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ọ̀dọ̀ titi wa náà nílẹ̀ Kóòtù Òjíire. Ó máa rójú, ó máa ráyè, ìgbà wo ni kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀. Bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹyọ kan ṣo tá à ń bẹ̀ yín, kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún ọmọ Kóòtù Òjíire, ọmọ Yorùbá, kẹ́ tó kúrò ńbẹ̀, kẹ́ tó fi orí àpèrè yẹn sílẹ̀. Ẹ̀rù ń bà wá, àyà wa ń kó sókè. Agbára rèé, agbára wa pin. I'm telling you, that is the fact. Because tí ò bá rẹ́ni gbèjà ẹ, ó máa dàbí ọ̀lẹ ni. That is the fact. Tó ò bá ti rẹ́ni gbèjà ẹ, ó máa dàbí ọ̀lẹ ni. Agbára wa pin, òun ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Yes. Kí lẹ máa wá ṣe fún wa? Ẹ lè sọ wípé ẹ gbọ́ wa, ẹ ń gbọ́ wa, ẹ ń gbọ́ igbe wa lọ́tùn lósì, níwájú lẹ́yìn. Ẹ ń gbọ́ igbe wa. Kí ni ẹ lè ṣe fún wa? Báwo lẹ ṣe lè bá wa ṣe nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí? Àwọn youth rèé, àwọn èèyàn ọ̀la yín leléyìí. Bí àwa ṣe ń pàtàn nígbà bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀, wọn lọ́mọdé tí ò bá tán á bá rọ̀bà. Èmi yìí sì wà ní ara àwọn tó ń sọ báwo la ṣe máa ń kọrin yẹn ńgbà yẹn. Ilé ìwé ọ̀fẹ́, Awólọ́wọ̀ ló lè ṣe ìwòsàn ọ̀fẹ́. Ẹ bá mi gbé ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Tó kó exercise book lé wa lọ́wọ́, exercise book lé wa lọ́wọ́, àti pẹ́ńsù, gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́kọ́ lé wa lọ́wọ́. Ká ń kọrin wípé bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ nìkan dìbò fún. Ilé ìwé ọ̀fẹ́, ìwé exercise book. Ìgbà yẹn gan ambulance wà. Èmi jàǹfààní ẹ̀, ìgbà tí mo jàǹfààní ambulance gan, mo tún ti dé secondary school. Mo ti wà ní secondary school. Tọ́mọ bá sick ní school báyìí, tó máa pe ambulance ló máa wá pick ẹ up. à ń ṣe ìròyìn yẹn sí báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ìròyìn tí ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú.
Continental Hotel here in Luanda, Angola. As you can see, we've been here for almost 1 week, and I'll stay for another 1 week. I've have enough evidence to compare Angola with Nigeria. Number one, both the two countries are big oil producing nations. Angola is the second biggest oil producing country in Africa. Nigeria is number one, but it stops there. The price of fuel here is around 300 naira, and their gas is around 200 naira. The citizens have purchasing power because their money is stronger than ours. And when you begin to look at the life here, the transportation system, perfect. When you look at the electricity, for 9 years, they have not had blackouts for 1 day. They said periodic 2 hours for maintenance, which must be announced. And you begin to wonder, what is wrong with us as a nation? What is wrong with Nigeria? And the answer is very simple: corruption, nepotism, putting the wrong people in the right places, and making sure that tribalism and religion choke us up. Here, religion is not the issue. You just do your thing, whether you're a Muslim or you're a Christian, nobody gives a hoot. But in our country, we shout the greatest about God and Allah, and nothing to show for it. The same people that are shouting about God are the most corrupt. And they are the people that are putting their own people that are not qualified to run the country. Look at the group of Chinese. Just look at a group of Chinese investors that are just coming into the hotel. And you begin to appreciate the problem we are having as a nation. And I say it today, okay, look at this place. It's affordable. That's why people like us can come here. Just look up. And I'm saying without fear of doubt that for Nigeria to move forward, we must be a nation where we allow people who are qualified for certain position to run it, from NNPC to CBN, from Federal Land Revenue to any other place. That is why the wealth will be spread. Here, food is not the issue. Here, meat is not the issue. Here, transportation is not the issue. In fact, I came into this country using their own national carrier, TAGG. That's the plane I used to come, and that's the one I will go back with. Do we have Nigerian Airways? Do we have Nigerian Airs? What do we have as a nation? All their refineries are working. None of our own is working. The problem with Nigeria is with leadership and with the government. Corruption is killing us, and we are happy here. Thank you.
95, and billions of people use her invention every single day without knowing her name. Dr. Gladys West passed away January 17th, 2026. If you've used GPS today to get anywhere, you used technology she created. And the fact that you've probably never heard of her is exactly why her story matters. Born on a Virginia tobacco farm in 1930 during Jim Crow segregation, Gladys Mae Brown was told her future was picking crops. But she had other plans. According to Virginia State University records, she walked nearly 5 kilometers through woods and streams every day just to reach school, because she knew education was her only escape. She became valedictorian, earned a full scholarship, got bachelor's and master's degrees in mathematics by 1955, one of the few black women in America with advanced math degrees at that time. 1956. The Naval Surface Warfare Center in Dahlgren, Virginia, hired her as the second black woman in their history, one of only 4 black employees total. While white colleagues got praise and travel opportunities, West faced discrimination documented in her own memoir. But she kept calculating. During the 70s and 80s, according to U.S. Air Force records, West programmed the IBM 7030 Stretch supercomputer, the world's fastest at the time, creating precise mathematical models of Earth's shape. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's warped by gravity, tides, and atmospheric forces. West's algorithms accounted for every distortion. Her 1986 technical report, published by the Naval Surface Warfare Center, became the foundation for GPS. That geodetic model, the most accurate representation of Earth's shape ever calculated, is why your phone can pinpoint your location within meters. The global GPS market is worth over $150 billion. It guides every plane, ship, emergency vehicle, and smartphone on the planet. And for 42 years at Dahlgren, then decades in retirement, almost nobody knew Gladys West made it possible. 2018. A sorority sister read a short biography West submitted for an alumni event and realized what had been hidden. At age 87, recognition finally came. According to Air Force Space Command, she was inducted into the Space and Missile Pioneers Hall of Fame at the Pentagon, one of the military's highest honors. The press release called her a hidden figure whose work shaped the modern world. But here's what breaks my heart and inspires me at once. After suffering a stroke that damaged her hearing, vision, and mobility, West enrolled at Virginia Tech at age 70. She told the BBC that while recovering, words came to her. "You can't stay in the bed. You've got to get up and get your PhD." And she did. Dr. Gladys West died peacefully surrounded by family last week. Every map you open, every delivery you track, every rideshare you call, every emergency vehicle that finds its way to save a life. All of it exists because a black woman from rural Virginia refused to let poverty, segregation, discrimination, or even a devastating stroke stop her from changing the world. She was hidden for decades. Now it's on us to make sure her name is never forgotten. Drop other hidden figures in the comments. Who else changed your world without recognition? Share this so millions who use GPS every day finally know the name Dr. Gladys West. And follow for more untold stories about the pioneers who built the world we live in. Rest in power, Dr. West. Your legacy is eternal.
Dr. Wells. What? Kí ni mo fẹ́ fàyọ nínú ilé ìtàwé ni wípé kò ń ṣe wípé òyìnbó nìkan ló ní ọpọlọ gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe mọ̀ wípé dúdú ọ̀gá la jẹ́, just name it nínú gbogbo ẹ̀, nínú kí ló fẹ́ sọ, bọ̀ṣán jẹ́ ká rí lò, ṣé wọ́n jẹ́ ká rí lò, ṣé wọ́n jẹ́ ká rí lò, wọ́n yìí máa jẹ́ ká rí lò. Ọmọ òyìnbó ló sọ, fídíò yẹn ó yẹ kí n wá ní. Ó ní lójú ayé òun sẹ̀, ó ní Áfíríkà, ó ní a máa gba ìtúsílẹ̀, Áfíríkà ló pè lápapọ̀. Ọmọ òyìnbó ló sọ, ó ní lójú ayé òun láfíríkà, ó because irú ìyẹn kó tó bọ́ta láti sọ, ó mọ̀ wípé Áfíríkà ò sí nínú ìtúsílẹ̀, ó mọ̀ wípé Áfíríkà wà nínú ìgbèkùn. Ṣé wá rí àìmọye àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ wípé Áfíríkà ló ṣe lọ́jọ́ títí òní tí ẹ̀ gbórúkọ, ó ní bọ́n ṣe máa ń ṣe. Irú àwọn tó bá sọ pé àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa ṣe mọ́tò àwọn ṣe nǹkan kan yẹn, tí wọ́n bá ti sọ pé àwọn rà, wọ́n gba gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n gba gbogbo kóòdì, wọ́n gba kinní kan, ó ní bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe, orúkọ òyìnbó dẹ̀dẹ̀ máa gbọ́. Irú eléyìí ń ṣẹyọ kan nínú 1000, òun ni orúkọ tó bọ́ síta. Òun ni ẹni tí history ẹ̀, story ẹ̀ tó jáde síta. Bàbá Bola Ahmed Tinubu, màmá wa Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, àti Ṣèyí Tinubu. Ọmọ Yorùbá, wọ́n ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín torí pé gbogbo eré tẹ̀ ń sá 2027 ni. Bọ̀ ṣé ìrètí wà fún ọmọ kóòtù òjíire? Tẹ́yìn bá kúrò ń bẹ̀ gan, ìwòye another 10 years, ṣé ìrètí wà? Báwo lẹ ṣe máa wò ó sí? Gbogbo àwọn ilé tẹ́ ti kọ́ yẹn, mo fi ṣẹ̀sáǹpù ni. gbogbo ilé oní gíláàsì tí ẹ ti kọ́ yẹn báwo lẹ rò pé ó máa dà ní another 10 years coming báwo lẹ ṣe rò pé ó máa dà? Ojú wo la lè fi máa wò ó? Gbogbo títì tán lẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn ń sìn wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ṣe tàìṣe àwọn èèyàn ti ń kú wọ́n lọ́ máa tì í wọ́n máa ṣe kinní kan. Ṣé nǹkan tó kàn wá kù nìyẹn? Tẹ bá ṣe gbogbo títì ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ a mọ̀ pé tó bá pẹ́ ń sìn tó gèètì máa wà ń bẹ̀, that's fine. Bọ̀ ṣé ó ti tán gbogbo àwọn pípù yẹn ò lè stop àti má máa lo àwọn apànìyàn yẹn. Torí nǹkan táwọn fi ń ṣe ogun nìyẹn tó bá ti dìgbà campaign wọn. Àwọn tó ń gbé wá ò dẹ̀ lè lọ. Wọ́n ní kán bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí state police bóyá tá a bá tiẹ̀ níyẹn from there a wá lè béèrè wípé kinní èwo la fẹ́ lẹ fẹ́ bá wa ṣe. Ìrètí wa ẹ má jẹ́ kó pin pátápátá. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí àrà yẹn ẹ má jẹ́ kó parí, ẹ má jẹ́ kó gbé mọ́ wa nínú, ẹ má jẹ́ kó jẹrà mọ́ wa nínú. Bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè à ń bẹ̀ yín, à ń rọ̀ yín. Wọ́n ní wẹ̀yìn ẹ wẹ̀yìn yín wò ọmọ Yorùbá lára lénìyàn. Ní o tó bá ló ní òun túnra ẹni. Ta ló máa kù wá kù? Mo fílẹ̀ fún ẹ̀yin ìyá, ẹ̀yin bàbá, ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò. Èyí tá a gbé wá lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Ojú tẹ bá fi wò ó lọ́dọ̀ títí yín. Bó bá ṣe rí, ẹ má gbàgbé láti fílẹ̀ nínú comment section. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ àṣẹ̀dá. Èmi lẹ́ máa rí, ẹ̀yin náà ni màá máa bá. Ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń bá wa share àní fi gbòkú ọmọ sí. Ojú tẹ fi ń wò wá ò ní fọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ dẹ̀ ń tẹ láìkì náà àní fọwọ́ náà gba lẹ́tà ọ̀fọ̀ àní fi lẹ́tà ọ̀fọ̀ ránṣẹ́ síra wa. Agbára lọ́wọ́ àṣẹ̀dá. Èmi náà ni ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín olórúkọ púpọ̀. Verydarklady ọ̀gá ńlá. Bí ìbáyìí ni máa fi ètò rọ̀ sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí wípé a kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti follow mi lórí Facebook lórí Verydarklady Zabby. Please ẹ follow mi lórí Facebook please torí pé ó jẹ́ ìkànnì tuntun. God bless you. One love. Bye for now. Ire o, ire kàbìtì, ire o, ire gbàngbà. Bye.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí àgbàgbé Verydarklady Zabby Oganla TV tó fohùn balẹ̀ sí ètò ilé wa nípa òṣèlú, ìgbéyàwó àti àṣà Yorùbá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan. Oríṣiríṣi lẹ́mọ̀ bá pàdé lórí ìkànnì Zabby Oganla TV. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé ẹ yá bá wa pín kó kárí ilé kó kárí oko. Verydarklady Oganla TV, ìtúsílẹ̀ ọpọlọ àti ìtúsílẹ̀ ọkàn la dúró fún.